Okay, the address here is 1595 Horseshoe. We're here to, I believe it's Horseshoe Drive. We're here to verify that all of the, verify the work that's been done on the sewer line here, the 4-inch cast iron. So we started at the point, at the furthest point of the fix. We're now into the 6-inch clay, so we'll record backwards. This portion of the lateral has been replaced with PVC. It was once cast iron. Did have multiple areas where cracks were present. It has all been replaced and is in operable and serviceable condition. This portion of the cast iron was in good shape, so this did not get replaced, but the bad portion has been replaced. And that concludes the inspection, 1595 Horseshoe.